Tell me if this sounds familiar. You buy some crypto or stock or any other digital asset, and the moment you buy, the price drop. And when you finally give up and sell them to cut your losses, boom, the price shoot up again. Or maybe you go long, the price drops, so you switch and go for a short, but this time it goes up again. Yeah, I know it's frustrating, but don't stress, you're not alone in this. The exact same thing happens to me all the time when I start trading crypto. Every trade I made failed. I go short, the price shoot up, I panic, sell the coin, switch to long, and boom, it crashes right after. I was convinced it was all just my bad luck. But after digging and doing a research and making a ton of mistakes, I realized, nah, it's not a bad luck. I was just missing some really important stuff. These were some little hidden gems in trading that no one really talks about. And when I finally figured them out, my win rates jumped to 86% from 0. But you're lucky you landed on this video where I'm about to share those hidden gems with you. Hey, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Omar, a part-time trader, and I spend most of my time creating content to help people like you to learn digital skills and start earning from home. I've been sharing the free tutorials on my website for over 5 years now, and yep, it's all completely free. So if that sounds like your vibe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be part of that community. Let's grow and learn together. Whether you are trading a crypto or you are in a stock market or doing forex trading, these are just a couple of things you need to know before you jump in. Welcome to the complete guide to trading financial markets and mastering technical analysis, where we break things down in a simple and easy way, no confusing at all, straight to the point, and especially for beginners. This guide is here to help you build a real trading skills and not just sit around staring at a candlestick all day with no idea what's going on. You will know how to confidently trade crypto, stock, forex, indices using pure price action trading, technical analysis, and solid risk management strategies. I've made this for the people who want clarity, structure, and actual result, and not just a random YouTube videos or Telegram signals. In simple, this guide is perfect for the beginners who want to understand how financial markets actually work, and more importantly, how to spot low risk and smart trades with confidence. You will learn all these by reading a chart, understanding market structure, and building the right trading mindset. So here is what we are going to cover, nice and easy. I will show you how to read chart properly. You will understand things like uptrends, downtrends, sideways move, support and resistance level, and most importantly, the chart patterns that actually works. Instead of relying on 10 different indicators, I will teach you how to trust what the price is telling you. It's all about reading the story behind the candles. Let's be real, if you can't manage risk, you won't last long in trading. In this guide, you will learn how to use stop losses, calculate risk to reward ratios, and size your trades properly. Small adjustment equal to big results over time. You know what is the hardest part of trading is? It's not the market, it's your own brain. In this guide, we will dive into a trading psychology, how to stay calm, patient, and not let the emotions like fear or greed ruin your trades. I will help you master your emotions because trading psychology is just as important as the strategy. By the end, we will build a customized plan altogether, some things that fits your goal, personality, and lifestyle. No copy-paste stuff. You will know exactly when to enter, when to exit, and how much to risk. Look, every year, millions of people try their luck in the markets. Some treat it like a casino, others follow just random gurus or wait for tips on the social media. But most of them lose, and not because they are not smart. They lose because they never learn how the market actually works. They don't have a proper system, they panic when things go wrong, they don't know how to hold, when to cut losses, or even why the price is moving the way it is. This guide is here to change this everything. I'm not here to promising you a magic or quick money, but I'm giving you the tools, the mindset, and strategies that actually works if you are serious about learning. To keep things simple and effective, this course is split into 4 chapters. Each chapter takes you a deeper, introducing you to a new approach, a new skills, and a new mindset. We are starting from the very basic of reading the market, and step by step, we will build up a professional level strategies and discipline. So, starting with chapter number 1, mastering price action and market structure. This is where it's all began. In this chapter, we will discuss the fundamental of price action trading, teaching you how to read and understand chart properly. No indicator, no fluff, just clean, simple price action trading. In this chapter, you will learn how to identify key market structures, including trends and patterns, to recognize when the market is in uptrend, downtrend, or moving sideways. In simple, you will understand what does the trends look like, how to follow them, and where the smart entries are. In chapter number 2, Essential of Risk Management, we will talk about how to protect your account because losses are part of the trading, but blowing your account doesn't have to be. So, in this chapter, you will gain a solid understanding of risk management, setting effective stop losses, calculating risk to reward ratio, choosing right position size for each trade, and set up a solid risk management strategies and rules to protect your capital so you can stay in the game for the long run. Chapter 3 is all about trading psychology. You know that feeling when you close a trade too early, or too late, or you went trading because you are angry? Yeah, we have all been there. This chapter is all about controlling your emotions and becoming a calm and focused trader. In this part, we are gonna dive into a mental side of trading. The stuff that really mess your heads like fear, greed, and overconfidence. You will learn techniques to maintain emotional discipline, stay focused under pressure, and build a strong mindset that help you make better and more consistent decisions. In chapter number 4, Building a Winning Trading Plan, we will create a real plan. What to trade, when to trade, how much to risk, and how to review your performance. In this chapter, you will learn how to build a complete trading plan that actually works for you, based on your own goal and how much risk you're comfortable with. We will walk through everything from figuring out the best time to trade, picking the right market, choosing trading style that actually fits your personality, and building a risk management plan that keep you on a track. There are a lot of useful things to cover in this guide, and you shouldn't miss them if you're really into trading. And don't worry, I won't take much of your time. So if you're ready to stop gambling and start smart trading, this guide is made for you. Whether you are starting fresh or want to polish your current strategies, I will guide you through every single step. And if you feel like you are in the right spot and ready to learn smart and structured trading, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stick around. Because in the next video, we are diving straight into a chapter 1 where we will break down the market and learn how to read charts like a pro. No stress, no confusion at all. And hey, if there is anything that feels confusing or there is something specific you would like me to cover in this video, just drop a comment below. I read all of them, and I will make sure to include your questions in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, happy trading, and I will see you in the next one.